What's up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna give you a ride along in my car. The channel has been growing a lot recently, so I'll give you guys a quick rundown on what this car is exactly. So this is a second gen MR2 that's been swapped with a J32A2, so Honda V6, M90 blower. It's a partially stripped out car that I take to the track. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not going to be driving the car super hard because it's on the streets, so we're talking like 7/10 at the most. I just wanted to give people an idea of what it's like to drive something like this, because it's pretty unique. Anyways, now let's just get to the good stuff, and I hope you enjoy. Is it tight?